Hi, welcome back. The topic we are covering today is how to define a website in Dreamweaver. This is the very first step when it comes to creating your website with Dreamweaver. Because your website is a collection of files and folders. You need to tell Dreamweaver where to look for them on your computer. You need to have all the elements of your website in one folder. So be it your files, images, videos, they all should be kept under one folder. This folder is called as your local folder. What you need to do is you have to tell Dreamweaver using the site function where you have kept your files. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is click on site, click on new site because this is the very first time we are going to define a new site. So site, new site. Here, this is your site setup dialog box. You have to give your site a name. Now, for example, I'm going to give my site a name that is Students Website. Or you can give your clients or website name. For example, I can also name it as Online Training. You can name it anything. For now, we are just going to keep it to Students Website. This is your local site folder. From here, you are going to tell Dreamweaver from where to go and select your root folder. That's your local folder. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to create my local folder on my desktop. You can keep it anywhere. You can keep it on your hard disk or maybe in your downloads folder or your documents folder. For training purpose, I'm going to keep it on the desktop. So I'm going to make a new folder over here. I'm going to say file new. I'm going to go to folder and I'm going to name this as Students Website. Okay. Just select the folder and click on the select folder option. Okay. In this, you have defined your local root folder. Now let's tell Dreamweaver that if we are using any images for our website, where to look up for them. So for that, click on the Advanced Setting tab. Under Advanced Settings, click on Local Info. Under Local Info, you have the default images folder. Here, we are going to select a folder in which we are going to save all the images used for our website. So let's click over here. Let's go to desktop. This is my Students Website folder. I'm going to click on this. Inside my Student Website folder, I'm going to make a folder named Images, or you can name it as Image. You can name it whatever you want. But for now, I'm just going to keep it to Images. Select the folder and click on Select Folder. So now you have selected your default images folder. What this folder will do is when you save any image in Dreamweaver, it's going to automatically open this particular folder. So all the images used in your website are going to be saved over here. Let's click on the Save button. So you have learned how to define a new site.